Okay, today we will take one more question in the placement given. Okay, in the placement exam, they will give the question like this. Okay, so they will give the problem statement as given n integers, you have to find the second largest distinct element. Okay, so this is the problem statement they have given. Okay, so they will give the input format also. So this is below as the input format. So n is the number of elements in the array list. So from a1 to a3 up to an. So output format is we have to print the second largest element in that array list. Okay, so this is the problem statement they have given. So they will give some test cases. Okay, now I'll show that test cases also. Now first of all, we have to write the program. Okay, so this is the program. So what is the program here? First of all, I am taking n. Okay, n equal to int of input function dot strip. First I am reading the program. Okay, so dynamically I am taking n equal to some number. Okay, so then what I am storing the the n number of elements in the array in the form of a list. Okay, I'll show all this thing in the below code. Next one, you have to remove the duplicates. Okay, to ensure the distinct elements using what? So when you use the set data structure or a set data type, then the duplicate elements will be removed. Okay, so using the set function. Okay, then where I'm storing, using converting them into list, storing in the array. Then again what, if length of array is less than 2, we have to print -1. Okay, if the condition false, where we have to go, we have to go to the array dot sort print array of -2. Okay, first run the program. First we have to give some numbers. Okay, so run the program. We'll see that. So give some numbers. Okay, 5. Then you press enter. Again take some numbers. Okay, we have to take in 5 numbers in the list. What will be the output? So 32 will be the output. So what is they have given? So they have given the test case as the input format. You take as a n. So in this we have to take n, that is n equal to 5 here. Second one, what is a1, a2, a3 up to there the some m number of elements in the array. Then what is output? Second largest is the output. Okay, this is the test case. So in this way they will give. So according to this only you have to write the program. Okay, so based upon the condition, based upon the test cases, you have to write the program. Okay, take one more example. So 6 will be the output. Okay, so this is the previous example which I have taken. Now it is 5. This is the number of elements. 32 will be the output. Okay, so the above, okay, the above is the sample test case 1. So this is the sample test case 1. Okay, take one more test case. Okay, now I will take same all elements are same in the array. Okay, run the program. Now I am taking 4. Okay, enter. I am taking 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, I have taken 4 numbers. So what will be the output? Output is the -1. So why? Because see here length of array. So when you pass this, as to the this function, what will be the output? Only 5. Okay, 5 will be the output. So list of 5, it means in the array I am having only one number, that is 5. Then what? So what is the length of array? It is, I mean, 1. Okay, so length of array I am having only one element, that is 5. So 1 less than 2. Okay, then the condition true, then we have to print -1. So this is the sample test case 2. So in this way they give in the exam. Okay, I have taken the very simple problem statement. So this is the problem statement they have given. So this is the test cases, I mean format. So you have to do for the test case, you have to show the by taking test cases. Okay, so they will keep some condition. You have to pass 4 test cases. Okay, you have to pass 3 test cases. Okay, then you are eligible to get a job. Okay, that is what. So now I'm explaining the program. Okay, so here what does the strip do in the Python? Okay, strip removes the extra white spaces, characters like spaces, tabs, new line from the beginning and end of a string. Now, for example, if you take this example, so we are having some white spaces here, beginning and then ending here. Then when you run when you run this code, so this will be removed. Okay, this will be removed. That is the purpose of the strip. Next, what is the purpose of this n equal to int of input dot strip? We read the number of elements like n equal to 5, n equal to 6. So what is the purpose of this? Okay, so this code, see, I am explaining the above code. Okay, this is the code I am explaining below by taking comment. Okay, so now we reading the number of elements, that is this is over. Now here the split function. Okay, input dot split. So when you take some number, it is going to split like 12, 35, 1, 10, 34, comma 1. Again what? It is going to map. Map means it is going to convert these into integers. Okay, integers. So then again what? I am storing these values in the list. Okay, I mean converting these integers into the list values. Then where I am storing in the array. Okay, this is the purpose of this code. Next one what? You see in the program, it is set of array. It means we have to remove the duplicates. Okay, then when we remove the duplicates, then so for example, if you take here 12, 35, 1, 10, 10, 34, comma 1. So in this, how many duplicates will be there? There are only two duplicates, that is 1. Then after removing repeated values, the array will be as 1 comma 34 comma 35 comma 10 comma 12. So convert back to the list. Okay, so 1, 34, 35, 10 comma 12. Okay, that is the purpose of the set of ARR. Okay, now here I am checking the count. See, can you tell what is the count here? For example, in this we don't have any duplicates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 less than 2. Okay, so 5 less than 2, condition true or false? Condition false. Then where we have to go? So go to the else block. So go to else block. For example, if you take here, okay, so what is the length here? Okay, when you apply the set of array, can you guess what is the length? Length equal to 1. Why? Because we are having duplicate values, 4 duplicates values. Okay, so then it will be taken as only 1. That is only 5 will be only in the list. Length of array equal to 1. So 1 less than 2, you have to print -1. Okay, so that is the purpose of that. Okay, next one what I'm checking the length. If length equal to the condition true, in condition false, go to else block. Then array dot sort. Then what? So I am sorting the values in the ascending order, 1, 10, 12, 34, 35. Then what? Print of array of -2 means, so what is -1 here? This is -1. Okay, what is -2? This is -2. That I am printing in the output. That is about the second largest element. That's what we have printed in the first example. Okay, in this example, if you see here, -1 equal to 45, -2 equal to 32. So this I am printing. Okay, so this is the answer for the given problem statement, given input format, and for the sample test cases. Okay.